Caught 2 fish once, huh? Oh, lower it down a little bit, sweetie. There you go. Let it sit for a minute, honey. Careful. You don't want to let go of the fishing rod.
Who's diving in here?
No one.
No one.
Chris is not going to? I'm not going in the water.
Are you going to?
Who's going in the water?
No one.
Jax, are you diving in?
No.
How come?
Because there's seals in this.
There's seals?
Yeah.
Seals?
Seals?
You don't want to get eaten by a seal.
How many? Electric.
Electric eels?
There are no electric eels.
No, there might be.
We catch eels at our house.